CS50 mobile table saw offers versatility and is a perfect solution for cross cuts and rip cuts involving interior fit out, flooring and on-site carpentry. Weighing only 22 kilos, the saw can be quickly set up as a full panel saw and has a unique ability to draw the blade forward when requiring cross-cut applications with the protractor. Variable speed and a comprehensive system of blades allows you the flexibility for cutting different materials and can be used upright or legs folded for flooring applications. Dust is effectively removed when used with the Festool dust extractor thanks to the integrated extraction port. So the CS50 offers versatility to adapt the saw for different applications, flexibility with a system of blades to cut different materials, and safety with efficient dust extraction. To keep yourself updated on Festool product information and applications, subscribe to our channel below.